Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your AirPods microphone is not working. So the first thing that we're going to do is head over to our phone, and you need to make sure your AirPods are connected to your Bluetooth here. Then we're going to head over to settings inside of Bluetooth, and we just need to find our AirPods connection. And then you need to select the eye symbol next to your AirPods and scroll down to the microphone section. Now here, by default, you should have automatically switch AirPods selected, but we're just going to go ahead and quickly change this here to always left AirPod or always right AirPod. It doesn't matter which one. And then we're going to go and reselect automatically switch AirPods. This would just kind of give it a quick reset, and then we can come back out of here. And whilst we're on our phone, we're also going to come back over to the home screen, back inside of settings, and then we're just going to come down to general and select software update. And from here, just make sure you are running the latest version of iOS, as sometimes outdated software on your phone can cause glitches and bugs with your hardware. So just make sure you're fully up to date here, and then we can close out of our phone. So the next thing you can do, if that's still not fixed the issue for you, is we're going to do a hard reset of our AirPods. Now to do this, what we first need to do is just make sure the AirPods are closed. And once you've got the lid closed, we're just going to make sure they stay closed for at least 30 seconds. And once 30 seconds has passed, we're going to then reopen the lid of our AirPods, come over to the back of the AirPods, and you'll notice this small little button at the back here. We're just going to hold down this button now for 15 seconds. And at the moment, you can see it has this flashing white light at the top. And we're just waiting for this light to turn amber, and that just to basically confirm that they've been reset. So as soon as this turns amber, like so there, then we can close the AirPods again, and then we're going to come over to our phone and unlock the phone so we're on the home screen, and then you can reopen the AirPod lid. And now, as you can see on my phone, I get this pop-up for the AirPods, and we're just going to have to go through the steps here to reconnect the AirPods. So I'm going to press connect and just give that a second to connect. And then we can just close out of this window and come over to settings, come back over to Bluetooth. And as you can see, my AirPods are connected, and we can check to see if that fixes the issue. Now, if that still doesn't work, the last thing that I'd recommend trying is just to make sure that the actual AirPods themselves are clean and free from any dust. You can see, especially around the sides here, this is where the microphones are located. So I would just go ahead and use something like a soft toothbrush to clean around these edges. And make sure you don't have anything stuck inside of them. Just avoid using anything sharp to avoid obviously damaging the AirPod themselves. And then you can go ahead and once again just check to see if that fixes the issue. Now, by following all of these steps, that should have now fixed any microphone issues you were having. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.